Hey, so I just launched the Photoshop course. This course is a beginner course for everyone who's just trying to get into Photoshop. If you've ever struggled to understand the basics of Photoshop, the tools of Photoshop, the tools, where all the tools are supposed to be, how to crop, who is this tutorial for? Anyone who is just starting out learning software for either graphic design or photo editing or even photo manipulation. Anyone who is interested in just getting to know most of the tools. Any business person that just want to create quick designs and edits. Anyone that wants to learn to crop pictures like a pro. Anyone who wants to take editing and fixing of pictures. You want to design as a hobby or as a profession, you want to fix pictures. This course will tell you where all these things are. The topics in this course are editing pictures, cropping pictures, different methods of cropping pictures, how to crop hair. One of the most difficult things people actually face is cropping of people's hair in pictures. So I'm going to detail everything. I'll explain the tools on the workspace and how to fix old pictures and color match pictures with the background. There are times when you want to design a flyer and I want to show you how to actually color match these pictures with the background. I'm going to show you how to design a simple flyer in this tutorial. So the software is free, like I said. You can ask for any resources, tools and plugins or templates, and I'll give it to you. So some are free, some are for sale, but then I will give you as much as I can for free. We have Telegram groups and WhatsApp groups. WhatsApp group is where you're going to get the Photoshop software. So once you click on the link to get to the course and take the course, there's so much in the course that you can always watch at your own pace. So that's just it. Just enjoy and just have fun.